Lions and bears at war. Here, though, unprecedented. 4 remain. BSI's our chip leader, rapidly approaching the 100 million chip mark. And now BSI is starting to run him over like Joseph Chunk did last year. In the last 10, 15 minutes, even when we were away on break, there was a raise by Gene Edmonds. He re-raised it.
You still have to keep your head down.